If you want to install Gimp on Windows, this video will walk you through the fastest and safest way to get it done. Gimp is a powerful free image editor, and once it's installed, you can start editing photos, creating graphics, and working on design projects right away. I'll show you the standard installer method first, and I'll also mention the official Microsoft Store option, so you can choose whichever one feels easiest for you. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button, subscribe for more software guides, and let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official Gimp downloads page. It's important to use the official website so you know you're getting the latest safe version. Once the page loads, look for the orange button that says Download Gimp directly. Click that button to start downloading the Windows installer file. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. You should see a file with a name similar to gimp-xxx-setup.exe, where the version number may be slightly different depending on the release. Double-click that file to begin the installation process. If Windows asks for permission, that's completely normal. A user account control prompt will appear, asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. This step is required because Windows is confirming that you trust the installer and want it to run. Next, the Gimp setup window will open. At this stage, you may be asked to choose your language. Select your preferred language, then click OK. After that, you'll see the main installation options. For most users, the standard configuration is the best choice, so simply click Install and let the installer handle the rest automatically. Now all you need to do is wait a few minutes while Gimp finishes installing. Depending on your computer speed, this may take a short while, but you do not need to do anything during the process. Just let it complete fully before moving on. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to close the setup wizard. Gimp is now installed on your Windows computer. To open it, go to your Start menu and search for Gimp, or scroll through your installed apps until you find it. Click the icon and the program will launch. If you prefer a simpler installation method, there is also an official Microsoft Store option. You can search for Gimp in the Microsoft Store and install it safely from there as well. That can be a convenient alternative if you want a more streamlined setup experience. And that's it. You've successfully installed Gimp on Windows. Now you're ready to start editing images, creating designs, and exploring everything the software can do. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more easy software installs and setup guides.